Lesson 27, the raw of an option. Here what you will learn, what is the raw of an option? Why not also an in-depth study of the raw in this case? Because as we'll see, it is pointless. As we have seen in lesson 13, the interest rate acts in a way that is substantially contrary to what might be expected. Higher rates raise call prices and lower put prices, and vice versa. It is a counterintuitive effect, given that, as we know, the growth in interest rates usually has negative impacts on stock prices, with consequent reductions in call prices and increases in put prices. This in a multi-dimensional way, obviously, while the Greek world is a two-dimensional world in which the effects are different. However, ρ is a little useful parameter for at least two reasons. The first is that interest rates do not increase by large amounts except in exceptional cases. The second is that the market discounts interest rates dynamics well in advance, limiting itself to adjustments in the event of forecast errors. It is quite the same as for dividends. The market does not wait for companies to communicate the value of the future dividend, but rather estimate the value of the dividend itself based on historical data and on growth forecasts. Again, adjustments can be made where the estimates are not precise, but only adjustments are involved in general. Consequently, calculating ρ has little practical use because it is an impact that is unlikely to happen in the real world. However, we see the graphical trend of the ρ of a call and a put. Next slide. This is the raw of a call and a put, strike 22,000 points on the FTSE MIB index in front of different values of the underlying, risk-free interest rate 0.01%, residual life 30 days, implied volatility 25%, no dividends. The raw is how much the option price increases or decreases compared to 1 point more or less in the risk-free rate. Once again, we have an increasing raw in passing from out of the money to at the money options, and then it goes away almost asymptotically. We do not have an upper limit, but this is what happens. If the interest rate keeps increasing, the raw of the option doesn't increase as well. There is not much more to say about the raw, so for now that's all. Thank you for your attention.